demanded things right now maybe you are working on. So it will be great if we can go one by one.
So let me start. First of all, good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for having us here. My name is Iftekhar. I'm one of the product managers for Microsoft Security Products. My team develops some of our cybersecurity products for threat detections and response. And at this time, while AI is not really something new for threat detection, it has been used for a very long time. It's just that now, with all the marketing muscles coming in, it's getting more projected that we are doing, everybody's doing AI, but it's been being done for a while now. At this time, some of our focus is basically on threat research, especially doing threat intelligence, especially when we have optics like looking at all the signals coming from various parts of our digital estate, like IP addresses, connections from various geographical locations, people sending different types of authentication requests coming in. Earlier, some of these research were mostly human driven, and it required a lot of, first of all, muscles, human muscles to do that, and then a lot of data science and all of that. Now a lot of things have completely changed, with the AI, because now these things are getting more faster. For an organization who is currently getting attacked, the translation of doing threat intelligence to an actual defense has to be much faster, which was taking a lot earlier. So when you detect a malware or detect a malware outbreak, in traditional antivirus world, we have to go back and develop a definition of an antivirus and then deploy this around the globe, which would take sometimes weeks. Now is not really the time to have that luxury of taking weeks to develop an antivirus detection or a definition. Now it has to be quick. If there's a major malware outbreak, if there's a major vulnerability that got disclosed, that research needs to translate into actual remediation in a matter of seconds. That is now currently our focus is, and that's where most of our focus, especially with artificial intelligence, is being worked upon, where some of the things can be detected right there itself without needing any kind of definition. So if it's a malicious intent of a system or a file of a user, like in an earlier session we saw, the detection has to be there within the user boundary itself, without having something to come up from the cloud. But yes, when it comes to doing threat research and then finding anomalies of what is a baseline and then what is an anomaly beyond that baseline, those things are now getting much better and faster with AI coming in. So that's where most of our focus right now.